Now the final stage of this use of forms is to be able to create a tab control page. Tab control page is a device that enables you to stack or put layers of information on a single area on the screen. To do this, I need to use my tab control page device over here. I click on the icon from the toolbox. Incidentally, if you don't see this toolbox on your screen or on your computer showing, the icon over here, the icon with the hammer and spanner, displays that information or makes that control box come up. I'm going to create a tab control page, so I'll draw a rectangle here, and there's my tab control page. Now I'll select the controls from my star form, and I'm about to put them on page 30 here of my tab control page. I go Control X to cut. I move my form over, or my tab control page over a little bit further. Drag this down. Now I need to click on the tab on page 30. It is most important that you click on that tab and you see handles appearing around your tab control page. When I do that and go Control V, the controls appear on that page. By clicking on page 31, they disappear. They're on page 30. I do the same for my datasheet form here. Click on it, cut. Click on page 31. Again, I need to make sure I click on that tab control there. I go Control V and the form appears on page 31. Now if I was wanting to make my tab control page somewhat larger, I can just expand it out like so. If I was wanting to make this option larger, my datasheet form, view the information, page 30, page 31. I've now got two lots of information on a single area on the page. You can add multiple pages like this. You can add up to about 255 pages, but if you've got that much information, then it probably would not be useful to have everything on one single form like I've got here. Now I'm wanting to be able to just make some modifications here. I want to change the name here. Instead of page 30 and page 31, I'm going to double click on page 30 and a property sheet appears, and I'm going to change the name there. So in this section where it's got caption, I'm going to type out the words staff details, and if I click on page 31, you'll notice the staff details appear up here, and as soon as I click on page 31, I've got a new property sheet for that particular page. Again, in the caption section, I type out sports. You can type out whatever you want, but it's appropriate to use field names or names that's going to mean something in this case. So there's my form. I go back in the design. I click on the save button just to save my form there. I choose yes to update it. There's my form. As I go through the records, I can see the details of each individual person appearing on the page. Now you'll notice here the page seems to jump slightly, so what I'm going to have to do is to go down and modify my screen. I'll make the page somewhat smaller, and now when I look at my form, push the page down key, I don't get any jumping. When I move through the records, I want a smooth transition like you see here.